2025 Lexus ES 350 boasts a sleek and sophisticated design with a bold spindle grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted body lines that exude elegance. Brought to you by Arrowhead Lexus. Available in a range of striking colors, its aerodynamic shape enhances both style and efficiency, while 18-inch alloy wheels and chrome accents add a touch of refinement. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine delivering 302 horsepower, the ES350 provides a smooth yet responsive driving experience. The 8-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless shifts, while available all-wheel drive enhances traction and stability. A finely tuned suspension system offers a balance between comfort and sporty handling. Rear passengers enjoy exceptional comfort with spacious legroom and plush seating. The ES350's premium materials and available heated and ventilated rear seats create a first-class experience. A fold-down armrest with cup holders adds convenience, making long rides more enjoyable. Rear passengers enjoy exceptional comfort with spacious legroom and plush seating. The ES350's premium materials and available heated and ventilated rear seats create a first-class experience. A fold-down armrest with cup holders adds convenience, making long rides more enjoyable. A 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Lexus interface supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The available Mark Levinson Premium audio system delivers immersive sound, while voice recognition and cloud-based navigation provide seamless connectivity and convenience. Lexus Safety System Plus 2.5 comes standard, offering advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies work together to enhance driver confidence and overall vehicle safety. The ES350 is designed for effortless everyday use, with keyless entry, a power trunk, and available hands-free parking assist. Multiple USB-C ports and wireless charging keep devices powered, while an optional panoramic sunroof adds an open, airy feel to the cabin. The 2025 Lexus ES 350 combines luxury, performance, and advanced technology in a refined package. With its elegant exterior, comfortable interior, and cutting-edge safety features, it remains a top choice for those seeking a premium sedan with everyday practicality. You can view our selection at arrowheadlexus.com. Give us a call at 623-777-6552 or visit our showroom today.